Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to make a group email in Gmail. There are two ways to do that. First, using Google Contacts. So go to your Gmail and then click the Google Apps icon at the upper right corner. Then in here, click Contacts. Then in here, click Create Contact. Then choose Create Multiple Contacts. You can add a label to your group email. Then in here, add email to the group. Then click create to create your group email. Also, you can use Gmail contacts directly. In the Gmail, click on compose to create a new email. Then in the to field, start typing the name of the contacts you want to add to the group. Then tap the three dots. Then click label. Then click or choose create new. And enter a new label to your group email. And that's how to make a group email in Gmail. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.